Hey shop owners, Ron back here. Thanks for watching this video today. Yesterday, if you saw the video, I talked about who else wants to be a millionaire, and I showed you just how easy it is and how non-exclusive the club is anymore of being a millionaire in the United States. And I hope you got some really good value. Today, I want to kind of drill things down a little bit. I want to stay in the same money mindset because I hopefully got your greed glands flowing a little bit. I want to get them flowing even a little bit more and kind of zero it in down to your business, your shop, and the kind of money that you can and should be making with your auto repair shop. Okay, so this past weekend, as I mentioned on the other video, I had a lot of my clients in town, and what I did is some mind expansion exercises with them to get them to understand that whatever their goals that they're going for really are not that far away. Okay, if you realize how easy it is to get there, and a lot of people actually realize they're actually sitting on top of a pot of gold, they just didn't look down to go grab the gold. Okay, so today I want to talk about the individual income earners in the United States. Okay, so let's talk about what it takes to be in the top percentage of income earners in the United States. Okay, so what does it take as an individual income earner in the United States to be in the top 50%? Well, it only takes $40,000. That's not a lot of money, quite honestly, okay? But if that's you, if you're right at $40,000, congratulations, you're in the top 50% of income earners. But look, we don't want to be average, right? We don't want to be right there smack in the middle. We want to be much better than that. So what's it take to be in the top 25% of income earners? Well, it takes only $80,000. It takes twice as much money to get into that top 25%. But look, $80,000 is very simple. And I'm going to show you with your auto repair shop how simple this actually is. It's probably well within the wheelhouse right now if you know what to do. Okay, so to take you to the top 10%, guess how much? Well, it's only $130,000. $130,000 income for an auto repair shop owner is easily attainable. Hang with me because I'm going to show you what you need to do in your business to be able to take home $130,000. And it's much easier than you think. And again, you're probably sitting on a business that's capable of giving you that $130,000 income. You're just for some reason not able to bring it home, okay? But that gets you into the top 10% of income earners. Now, if you really want to get into the really big money, now we're getting into the top 5%, but that isn't really that big. It's only $180,000. And I know I'm saying only, but you'll see coming up in a minute how easily attainable that could and should be for you. Now, if you want to be in the top 1%, very few auto repair shop owners that I know a few of them that are in the top 1% income earners. It takes $500,000 of an income to be in the top 1%. You see there's a pretty large leap down there between the top 5% and top 1%. But look, if you're doing $500,000, awesome. That's amazing. You're in the top 1%. Most auto repair shop owners are not there yet unless you have multiple shops and are all running at peak efficiency and things like that. And fantastic, that's where you're at. But most shop owners are single operators, so you're going to be in the top 5%. I want you to be in the top 5%. So what does it take? What kind of volume does it take for your auto repair shop in order for you to be able to take home and be in the top 25%? Well, really, it's only $300,000 in sales. Okay, if your business is doing $300,000 in sales and you're working in the business in some capacity, you're turning wrenches or selling service, you could and should easily be taking home $80,000 and be in the top 25%. And I'm serious here, okay? If you're not there, we need to talk, okay? As a matter of fact, go down below this video and I will put a link down there for us to talk because there's no reason at all that you shouldn't and couldn't be taking home $300,000. I mean, if you have $300,000 in sales, $80,000 should be your take-home pay, okay? Now, to be in the top 10%, what does it take? For your auto repair shop, only $400,000 in sales. Okay, we have our clients that are only doing $400,000 in sales that are taking home over $100,000 and are taking home that $130,000 because that's what we do here is we show you exactly how to get the money out of the business, how to extract the profits out of your business and run the business better. Now, to be in the top 5%, you might be thinking, wow, that's $180,000. That's some change here. We got to have a big, massive business. I'm going to tell you, no, 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 no. Okay, if you're running a business the right way, all you need is about $650,000 in sales. That's it. Now, I guarantee you're probably looking at this and thinking, Ron, you're absolutely bonkers. There's no way that you're going to take home $180,000 with only $650,000 in sale. And I'm going to tell you, that's all up here because shop owners are doing it. We're showing them exactly how to do that. So look, if you want to be in the top 5% of all income earners, just have a business that's only doing $650,000 and we can make it a reality for you. Now, as I mentioned before, if you're not making that kind of money and you want to make that kind of money with your auto repair shop, it's not a matter of growing your top line sales. It's a matter of growing the bottom line, what actually falls down into your pocket. We need to fix something that's going on in your business, and we won't know what it is until we start working with you. So if you want to find out exactly how to work with us, what it takes to work with us, and how to actually extract all that money from your business, let's talk. Okay, go down below the video and go to AskRonIPAC.com and schedule a time to talk with me. Okay, it's simple as that. If you're the auto repair shop owner and you're not making that kind of money with the kind of business that you have down there, we can fix that for you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please do me a big ginormous favor. Go down below the video, leave a comment, like the video, share it with somebody that you think is going to get some great benefit from this, and that would make me very happy. I'm doing these videos because I want everybody to be successful, whatever your version of success is. Thanks everybody. Have an awesome day.